today I'm going to show you this lock for your room. You can get it on Amazon. These link is down in this description box below. This is the app. So there's a doorknob. And there's an other thing, but what unlocks it? So I'm going to show you this. Comes with this and that. I don't know what this is for, but it's for something. These are the screws. This is a thing where you put in there to make sure it's the right size. Like where this thing goes in. Let me show you. Hi. I'm gonna find my other thing real quick. It's about the wait time. How about this thing? So this thing goes in the wall. It has to be this size, this thing. But what do you use to unlock it? So let's get it. So see your instructions, and this thing down here is your room key. Let's put it together. Let me show you what it looks like when it's so. Looks like it's put together, not on the door, but something. Let's show you this thing. Let's see this thing. This is our key. And then, sorry that just came apart. I have to do. Guys, be quiet. I'm filming a YouTube video.